জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী, জয় বিশালাক্ষী, জয়।
Mother! Did you not miss your mother? Where were you? Where were you? We didn't know anything. Are you okay? We were really worried about you.
Oh my lord, I can't tolerate so much show off.
Nayan. Grandfather? Grandfather, why has your health gone down? Don't you eat well?
We didn't know where you were, how you were, what were you up to. Your mother went crazy thinking about all these things. I had to take care of her. I can't share my concerns with her. Nayan, old age comes with many problems. Only Goddess Vishalakshi is aware of my condition. I couldn't eat a morsel of food, Nayan.
Here I am. I'm here now, Grandfather. I'll cook for you now and feed you, okay? Kumu? Kumu, how are you?
How else can I be? I'm good. Hey, hold on. Change your clothes first. I feel irritated if someone touches me with dirty clothes. I heard your husband took you to the village to drop you home. Why did you come alone? Where is your husband, Nayan?
Why are you so cruel, Lord? Why are you playing with the lives of those two, Lord? Don't you know it? That Nayan is Deepu's protective shield. Didn't you see how she protects him all the time? She's always around him. She knows. She's alive only for this. If Deepu really divorces Nayan, then who will protect him? Tell me, who will protect him? Mother?
Yay! Very well.
So now Deepu will start a new life.
Absolutely.
A new
Cheers to
beginning.
that.
Yeah, sure. Hey, come on.
Yes, of course.
No matter how happy you are, Mom, until I divorce that girl, I won't be able to participate in the celebration.
What is the matter? What are they celebrating behind closed doors? I have no clue. Why did mother call it a new beginning? Deepu has already grown up. What will he start afresh in his life? Will he turn into a baby?
What happened, Mother? Why were you crying in front of the idol, Mother? Tell me what happened.
Nothing has happened, Pratima. I am leaving.
No, wait, Mother. Wait. You must tell me what it is. I have known you for years. A strong person like you is hard to find. In all these years, I never saw you so disturbed. No matter what the problem was, but if you're crying in front of the idol, that means there is a crisis. Tell me what happened, Mother. I'm scared. I can't be at peace if you don't say anything.
Aunt, I have something to tell you.
What? Tell me.
Actually, I went to mother's room upstairs. They are partying. I heard mother telling Deepu that he was going to start a new life. I didn't understand what she meant.
Deepu? Deepu will start a new life?
Yes, they opened a champagne bottle and mother said that
This is what I was fearing. Deepu wants to divorce Trinaini.
Oh no.
I sneezed. Does that mean it will come true? Will brother Dripto divorce Nayan for real?
You don't know, my child. You've done me a big favor. I will never be able to repay you, my child.
Oh no. She's smiling again. What if she asks her to repay? No. I need to run away. Thank you. Thank you. I'm leaving now.
Wait, Jeet. There's no need to tell anyone that Trineni is here. Not even your mom. Can I trust you, Jeet?
Dad, I know I'm not your biological son. Still, you have always considered me as your own son. You never let me feel that I'm not your real son. I know it's a little late now, but I've realized your value now, Dad. Therefore, don't worry at all. I promise you I'll never break your trust. I promise.
Hero. He's just like a hero. What dialogues. He will now become my lover.
You went to Trineni's village and informed her family about her ill health. I'm really happy you did that, Jeet. I know it wasn't an easy task for you, but you did it. I'm proud of you, my son. You've done a great job. I'm really proud of you.
You have fully recovered. You're all right. And I'm very, very happy. I'm really happy. And exactly this is what I wanted. Sister-in-law.
You called me?
Sister-in-law. You are my sister-in-law, and I believe that. Look, you saved my life. And I'm really grateful to you for that. Therefore, I'll try my level best to save you. I'll try my best to protect you from every danger.
Mr. Basu, your son is a nice boy.
Everyone understands Trineni, but the one who needs to understand her the most is not.
Nayan, you go on. Go inside and get some rest. It was a long journey and you're not well either. Ma'am, take her inside.
Yes. Come, my child. Let's go clean yourself up. Come.
It'll burn, Nayan. It'll burn. It'll burn. It's too painful, Nayan.
Hey, Nayan, what happened? Let's go.
Officer, she's the one. She wanted to tell me something. Tell me, what do you want to say? Tell me. I'm there to listen to you. Tell me.
Hey, Nayan, hey! You started this the moment you came? What nonsense are you talking about? How can a dead person talk to you?
No, she told me. She told me. Officer, please tell me how she died. How did she die? What happened to her? How did she die? Tell me everything. I need to know everything, officer. Please tell me. Please.
I'll tell him, Mom. I'll share everything with the lawyer. I'll tell him everything clearly. That how I was forced to marry that girl and how this was imposed on me. Okay, Mom. You find me a good lawyer, okay? She's very stubborn. She wants to follow me around like a shadow and I want to break her stubbornness. Once we are divorced, let me see how she claims to be with me. What did she think? That she'll buy me out because she saved my life again and again? Never. I will never let that happen.
Deepu? What did you say? She saved your life again and again? Did she save your life again? Tell me. When did it happen? How did it happen? Why are you quiet, Deepu? Tell me.
Yes, when I went to drop her off last night, lightning struck my car and it caught fire.
Oh my lord. You had a narrow escape, Deepu. Couldn't you stay there for longer? Both of you would have been finished. It would have been over.
The car must have damaged, Dripto.
Yes, uncle. It burnt in front of my eyes.
Good that you came out in time. But how did you get here in such a short span of time?
I came with Dad.
Dad? You mean Tapabrato? Did Tapabrato bring you here? That means he didn't go to the hermitage.
Oh no. Why did I say that? Mom will unnecessarily react now.
What is it, Dipto? Tell me.
Hey, uncle. Why are you asking him again and again? We all know that Deepu never lies to mom.
No. I know Deepu won't lie to me. But your dad lied to me. He said that he would come home from the hermitage after lunch. It was a lie. He lied to me.
Nayan, don't be restless. Mr. Karmakar will tell you everything.
Officer, when will you tell me? I must know what happened to your daughter.
I will tell you, my child, I will tell you. You are my other daughter. Who will I tell other than you? I will tell you everything, my child. But not now. You need to rest now. You are very tired. You're not keeping well. Go on now. I'll tell you everything later.
But...
No buts. No buts. Listen to me, child. I'll tell you everything. But not now. You will live with me now. Right?
What? Why would she live with you? And how is that possible?
Why? Do you have any problem with that?
There's no problem. But I can't stay anywhere else. I must return to that house.
Sanjukta, what is all this? How can Tapabrata lie to you so often?
Deepu, tell me something. Why did your dad lie to me? Had he told me that he was going to pick you up, then I wouldn't have gotten angry or forbidden him.
Sanjukta, please calm down. Please,
No,
please listen to me.
Vicky, don't try to make me
Please
understand.
calm
This
down.
is not good.
Don't be so excited. Piku, get some water for her.
Yes.
Come on, hurry up.
Hey, mom. Have some water. Dripto, tell me, if you have come home with dad, then you were present when dad was lying to mom. You were right there, right? Why didn't you tell mom the truth then?
Yes, Deepu. Tapabrata lied to me in front of you. Then why didn't you stop him then? I didn't hide anything from him. Why did he hide it from me? Why didn't you question him? Why didn't you ask him? My relationship with your dad was so normal. We never used to hide anything from each other. But nowadays, he's hiding such small things. He was going to pick his son up. Only this. Why did he hide that from me? I can't take this anymore.
Mom, you please calm down. Mom, I didn't realize.
What
Mom.
didn't you understand, Dripto? What didn't you understand? Your dad bluntly lied in front of you, but you supported him. I didn't expect this from you.
All my expectations are failing, Vicky. I don't like this anymore. Will anyone please give me some medicine for my blood pressure?
Father was out all night. What if she gets worried for father and falls sick? Maybe that's why father didn't tell her the truth.
Mom, I think that dad didn't want to trouble you. Hence, he didn't come home. You must be very worried thinking about where he was. And you would have fallen sick. That's why he didn't tell you. Mom, you please take medicine, please. Here. What's happening? Why did I think about that girl again? I'm not able to get her off my mind. I'm unable to get rid of that girl. I don't know what to do. Why am I remembering again and again? Why? I hate this. I hate this.
Close the door.
Let me do it.
Do you understand?
I do. I think it's not that simple. Tapabrata convinced Deepu that he was lying to me because I was not well. But I think it's something else. I'm sure there's some other reason behind this lie.
What reason, mom?
But I'm suspecting something else. Did Tapabrata go to pick up Dripto or that girl too? And is he going to bring that girl back here from her village home?
Trinayani won't go back to your house now, Mr. Basu.
Officer, please hear me out.
Don't say anything then. You just listen to me. No one respects you there. You don't have any value there. I saw that time. I witnessed how Dripto behaved with you. You tell me, do you want your daughter to get humiliated there every day?
Mr. Karmakar, please try to understand. Trinayani must be in that house. I promise you that I'll make sure she's never humiliated in that house ever again.
Keep quiet, Mr. Basu. I definitely know what you can do. You can do nothing. You can't even handle your son. Then how will you control others, you tell me? I am telling you clearly that Nan will not leave. That's it.